We'll go to Alfea and save the Magiwolves.
My parents should have some useful information for us. Here we are. My parents live there.
This house is wonderful. It looks like it's part of nature.
And just wait until you see the magic greenhouse.
Oh. Huh? What was that?
It's coming from there.
It won't be long. I'm almost done.
Don't worry. You're going to be fine.
Are they your parents?
Yes, they're doctoring 2 Magiwolves. They open their eyes again.
Oh, Flora!
Sweetheart, you're here.
I'm happy as a giggling zucchini to see you!
Mom, Dad, these are my friends, the famous Winx.
Hello. Pleased to meet you.
I'm Rhodos. What can I say about myself? If I were an apple tree, she would be... my first apple.
You and your weird jokes, you're confusing them. Hello, everyone. I'm Alyssa.
Your greenhouse is just amazing. My mother has one too. Sometimes I help her out.
Really? How about helping me file the flowers in order of essence?
I'm afraid this is going to take a while. My mother knows all the flowers in the magic universe.
This is a Cyclominus nanus.
I can't see anything.
Look carefully, my dear. But don't stare at it for too long, my dear. It's a bit touchy. And that is a rare example of a baobab horizontalis.
Huh? Hey!
There's this strangling vine. Did you know that it's ticklish?
Mom, we'd love to continue the tour, but we have a problem.
We hope you can help us.
It concerns the Magiwolves, like the ones you just healed.
We know that they're in danger.
Yes, they are. Their species has been infected by toxic spores.
What kind of spores?
Mutant fungi spores.
Winx, in order to save the Magiwolves, we need to solve the fungi problem.
Oh,
Huh? I don't know the Magiwolves' language, but I think they want us to follow them.
Maybe they want to guide us through the forest.
What are we waiting for? Let's
Flora,
go!
wait. These magic orchid seeds can cancel the fungi mutation.
Thanks, Dad. I think these are exactly what we need.
That's all I was able to produce. Be sure to save those seeds for just the right moment.
I will. Thanks, Dad.
I heard everything!
Huh?
Hi, Flora. Hi, girls.
Hey.
I see you have become a fairy too.
I have. I go to a magic school and everything. I want to come with you.
Do you remember what happened the time you tried to face those enemies alone?
Huh?
Actually, it's time for you to go.
Flora! You're back! I've got you, Melee.
It worked! Nicely done, Flora!
More tree ants are coming. Don't worry, we didn't come empty-handed. This should do the trick. Now! I think he's gone. You stay here.
What tendrils! Flora, are you okay?
Watch out! Behind you! No! Put her down, now!
Flora! Be careful!
Nice try, tree ant! Enough!
Flora!
Come and get me! I'm coming! Got you!
Thanks, Flora.
There's a light, a brand new kind of power, burning bright, but brighter when it's ours. We can share the magic of the dragon flame. Flora, fairy of nature. Call my name, Bloomix. Play the game together, Bloomix. Take my hand and get the flame. Bloomix, Bloomix.
Oh, Flora, you look beautiful. Wow.
It's true then! Good and courageous acts will earn us a new power! Bloomix!
Oh no!
Chlorophyll bolts! Playing hard to get, huh? Spring shower!
The tree ants! Look, they're back to normal.
No! We can't do this on our own! Natural whisper. I ask for the essence of your power. I need your help. But I promise at the same time, I will be helping you.
Oh, the first time we met it, I thought it looked so mean.
Appearances can be deceiving, Miel. No, wait! What are you doing?
It reminds me of Squonk.
And at the last second, the Magiwolf made an incredible jump and attacked the evil fungus that was about to trap me.
It was very brave.
It didn't give up for a second. A real hero.
What was that? Oh, what a mess! Oh!
Okay, maybe we should go. Puppy, little puppy, really big little puppy. Shall we go?